Hi, I'm Lonnie Fravel. You know, now more than ever, families are drawing closer together. For the past few seasons, our camera crews traveled coast to coast to find out exactly what's important for families today. As a result, we've found that many of you have the same concerns. During this edition, we'll explore the answers to your questions, and we'll explore different options to enhance the lives of your family.
Take a deep breath in.
It is estimated that approximately 12 million Americans have been diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and at least another 12 million have symptoms but have not been diagnosed. Following heart disease, cancer, and stroke, COPD is the fourth leading cause of death in America.
COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It refers to a number of chronic disorders. You generally think of emphysema or chronic bronchitis. The airways that lead to the lungs become narrowed and the patient has difficulty breathing as the disease progresses. This is the new PARI Trek S. It's a light portable nebulizer system that you can take anywhere you go.
Many patients suffering from COPD, asthma, cystic fibrosis, and other respiratory diseases benefit from the use of nebulization.
There are three types of devices that are used to deliver respiratory medications. The first one is a MDI or metered dose inhaler. It's that canister that you often see people use and they press it down and inhale. The second is a dry powdered inhaler. And with both of those devices, it's actually a lot more difficult to coordinate the activation of the device and your inhalation at the same time. So a lot of the medication ends up in the back of your throat instead of your lungs. The third type of delivery device is a nebulizer, which actually may be the easiest method of delivering medications directly into the lungs. The nebulizer is where a liquid medication gets converted into a mist, and the patient breathing through a mouthpiece or a face mask is just breathing naturally as that mist gets delivered to the lungs. And many patients with COPD prefer it, especially when their disease progresses and their symptoms worsen. Very good. How do you feel now?
Better.
Very good.
Management and control of respiratory disease depends on multiple factors.
Treatment outcomes can vary because there are so many variables to taking a medical regimen. For instance, the patient has to be motivated to take it at the right time and to do it for the right length of time. Certainly they have to have the best medications, but they also have to maintain their equipment to replace the nebulizer according to the manufacturer's recommendations, to clean it regularly. And lastly, you want an efficient nebulizer system so that you're getting the right medication at the right time in the best manner.
An industry leader of fast and efficient aerosol delivery systems, the company has its North American headquarters in Richmond, Virginia, and its worldwide headquarters in Starnberg, Germany.
PARI's worldwide vision is to improve the lives of those affected by respiratory diseases and those who provide care for them.
The company provides the world's leading breath-enhanced reusable nebulizer, the PARI LC Plus, and the new PARI LC Sprint nebulizer line. It also manufactures the innovative aerosol mask Bubbles the Fish 2, the PARI ProNeb Ultra 2, and the award-winning PARI Trek S compact compressor system, giving patients the freedom to take their treatments anywhere.
I was diagnosed with COPD around my 50th birthday. I had this cough that I just couldn't get rid of. My chest was tight all the time. So I decided, okay, I'll go and see the doctor. He examined me and said, you have COPD. My overall quality of life has decreased. I find myself having difficulty walking up the stairs, and I just don't have any energy anymore. In the past, the nebulizer I've used would take up to 15 minutes to deliver my medication. But my new nebulizer, the PARI, takes only 5 minutes to do the same job. I'd call that very efficient. My life is no longer centered around treatments. When I'm on the go, I use the Trek S portable system, which operates on a rechargeable battery, and it weighs less than 1 pound.
The PARI Trek S portable system is paired with the fast and highly efficient LC Sprint reusable nebulizer.
PARI's nebulizers were developed with the patient in mind. The new LC Sprint reusable nebulizer is fast, efficient, and provides consistent treatments. As with all PARI nebulizers, the LC Sprint reusable nebulizer utilizes breath-enhanced delivery and can provide aerosol therapy within 5 minutes. This is compared to other nebulizers on the market that deliver aerosol therapy in 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you for calling PARI. How may I help you today?
We're pleased to say that PARI's nebulizers and products are the #1 choice for pharmaceutical companies developing new nebulizer medications to treat respiratory disease. Recently, 2 new medications have been approved for COPD, one from Sepacor and the other from DALP. Both companies use PARI nebulizers and compressors in their clinical trials to prove safety and efficacy of their drugs.
PARI's products were chosen by pharmaceutical companies based on the company's long track record of clinical trial experience.
PARI's nebulizers are different from a conventional nebulizer because they have a breath-enhanced valve system. So more medication is delivered when the patient's inhaling, and less medication is wasted when the patient is exhaling. So you have greater delivery of medication to the lungs, making a much more efficient treatment.
The company credits 2 things to its success: the combination of how to deliver aerosols to target areas and our knowledge of pharmaceutical formulations.
PARI will continue to focus on advancing aerosol therapies through our core competencies: effective inhaled drug delivery combined with our knowledge of pharmaceutical formulations. We will accomplish these objectives with devices that are small, portable, and offer significantly shorter treatment time. By keeping our vision in mind, patients will benefit by improved satisfaction and compliance with their therapy.
To learn more about PARI Respiratory, log on to www.pari.com or call toll-free 1-800-FAST-NEP.
Families today face many unique challenges. We hope that today's family has provided an avenue to turn your family's dreams into reality. I'd like to thank our industry experts, our guests, our distinguished advisory board, and of course you for watching. Join us next time on Today's Family.